Gulfood Manufacturing 21. I am with Federico Pozzer, sales manager of the Italian company Tecno Pack. Federico, good morning.
Sonia, buongiorno. Good morning to all.
So, Federico, Tecno Pack is again at Gulfood Manufacturing also for this year. Which are the news that you are displaying at your stand?
First of all, we are very glad and grateful to have the possibility to be here again after a stopping period which was brought by the COVID-19 pandemic. We are here strongly with a strong presence at Gulfood Manufacturing because for us this market is very, very crucial. It's a core market and we are here to propose and to show our customer our new solution which point to the end of the line, because historically we've been very, very strong in primary packaging solution. Now we are moving toward robotic handling solution for secondary packaging, and the news for 2021 is the carton, because we designed over the last year and developed our own wraparound case packers machine. So now we can also provide our customer that solution, which is very important for transport purpose, for logistic purpose, and to give an alternative more toward the palletizing, which we already supply, by the way.
There are specific sectors for your machines, relating your machines.
Well, the very good thing about our machines is that they are very versatile, they are very flexible, and they can match many different products, many different interests. Most of all, carton is a very, very general application, needed application, because day by day companies, customers are always seeking for more means of transportation, because logistics is becoming day by day more impacting on their business and so on our business. So we felt the strong need to make a step toward our customer, like we did for all our history, which is also our strength point, our characteristic. So with these machines, now we have a very, very wide possibility of application in many different products.
A question. You are a very important and well-known Italian company producing, supplying packaging lines. What about for example, the remote control and the support to your international customers?
This is a fundamental point for our business, to have the capability to tele-assist our customer from our plant, which we remember is based always in Italy. Everything we do, we manufacture and we design in our plant in Schio, Vicenza, Italy, so we can guarantee the best Italian quality and design for components. For this reason, since we do not have other worldwide bases, we needed to develop and we did develop a very smart system to assist our customer. Basically, H24 assistance for our customer in the US or in the Far East or in the Middle East, since we are in the Middle East, and the flexibility to be able to send people with a very short notice wherever in the world. So this is a characteristic, features that our customer appreciate from us.
This is also, I know that one of the reasons that thanks to you never stopped during the last 2 years. I know that your turnover was growing in the last 2 years.
Yes, thank to our application, to our strong work, we like to say. We never thought we were arrived. We never thought that what we accomplished was enough, even if it was a lot over the last 10 years. And despite the pandemic, we managed, thanks to the people in our organization, which we must thank a lot for their commitment, from people in the workshop to people in the offices to my father and to his associates, which are the two shareholders of the company. We managed to get through this very tough period in terms of relationships, in terms of travelings, and now in terms of logistics and component supply. We managed to get through this, and the perspective from the next year, again, is still tough, because electrical components, mechanical components are the forecast is not good also for 2022, but we are confident that with the good work we made so far over the last years, we have strong base also for the upcoming years.
So what is your opinion about these 2 days of Gulfood Manufacturing?
Very, very good organization. People here in Dubai did good. They always do good because they are the World Trade Center business. So far we are very happy because a lot of people started to move. It looks like we are back before COVID-19. So thanks to social distancing, facial mask controls, the exposition is very good, very participated. So we are very, very happy to decide to come here and to present such a beautiful exposition.
And we are all happy too. So thank you much to Federico Pozzer and thank you to Tecno Pack.
Thank you, Sonia.